Hello there! In this video, I'm going to share a few things that I'm sure you don't know or haven't heard before. If anything particularly interests you, be sure to let me know in the comments afterward. All right, let's go! Did you know that you can quickly chill a beer or any canned drink with just water, ice, and salt? Just immerse the can in a mixture of water, a lot of ice, and 2 spoonfuls of salt for 2 minutes. Pretty cool, huh? The large hole in your spaghetti spoon isn't there for draining water as many think. The amount of dry spaghetti that can fit through that hole is considered a single serving. At any given moment in time of day, approximately 60,000 people are traveling on a plane somewhere over the United States. If we expand that globally, over 9,000 planes are flying at any given time, carrying over 1 million people. The town of Salem, New Jersey once held a trial against tomatoes in 1820 because of the widespread belief that they were poisonous. The case was closed after Colonel Robert Johnson, also a local farmer and horticulturist, ate a basket of tomatoes without ill consequence. Roundabouts are common in Europe because they promote safety. A 4-way intersection offers 56 potential points of conflict, that is, chances to get hit by a car, bike, or pedestrian. Roundabouts reduce that number to just 16 and allow for faster travel on average. Sorry to break it to you, but the wasabi you love is mostly horseradish that's been dyed green. Yes, really. That's because real wasabi is very difficult to grow, it's very expensive, and should be consumed within 15 minutes of being grated, some say.
The oldest known living tree is almost 5,000 years old. It's a bristlecone pine named Methuselah, located near Bishop, California, not far from the Nevada border. This tree has been around well before the Great Pyramids of Egypt were built. A study found that medical surgeons who grew up playing video games more than 3 hours per week make 37% fewer mistakes and have a 42% faster completion rate when performing laparoscopic surgery and suturing. The oldest known living land animal is a tortoise named Jonathan. He was born in 1832 and lives on the island of St. Helena. Sunsets only exist because Earth's atmosphere acts as a prism for light. Particles in the atmosphere scatter short-wavelength violet and blue light away from our eyes, so we can see the other colors on the spectrum, like yellow and orange. Believe it or not, honey never spoils. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Let me explain. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to rotate once, but it orbits the Sun in just 225 Earth days.
Did you know that the Michelin Guide, which awards stars to exceptional restaurants, originally started as a free guidebook? It was first published by the French Michelin Tire Company to encourage road travel and tire sales. The connection between stars and cars has to do with how far one might consider traveling to a specific restaurant, based on its quality rating. To be or not to be? That is the question. William Shakespeare's iconic line from Hamlet has been analyzed countless times. Interestingly, it reflects Hamlet's deep philosophical contemplation about existence and suicide, showcasing Shakespeare's ability to delve into complex human emotions. Planning a trip to Italy? The Leaning Tower of Pisa's famous tilt is now thankfully stable after extensive engineering work in the 1990s. In fact, they say it's expected to remain stable for at least another 200 years or so. The art of food plating is crucial in fine dining. The arrangement of food on a plate can enhance the overall dining experience by making the dish more visually appealing and appetizing. "Be the change you wish to see in the world" is a quote thought to have been recited by Mahatma Gandhi. However, it's been said that Gandhi never delivered this exact phrase. The closest verified quote is, "If we could change ourselves, the tendencies in the world would also change." Ketchup originally started as a fermented fish sauce in Southeast Asia. The word ketchup derives from the Hokkien Chinese word kate siap, which referred to a brine of pickled fish. Who knew? Did you know any of that? We always have a great time finding facts like these for you. If you have any you'd like to contribute, let us know in the comments below. Thanks.